Mixo is one of the tools that you can use to create a fully functioning website for your new startup idea in literally minutes. So let's explore how this works once you log in to Mixo. It's going to bring you to a screen like this, and it will prompt you to write a line about what your business idea is about. We're going to try and create a website for an online marketplace that sells sustainable products, so let's just write that here. And then once you're done with your one-liner, you can just click on Generate Site. Here you can just sit back and let Mixo do all the work for you. So this is the result it has come up with. Not just a name for your business, we also have a greet hero text here, a call to action, some social proofs. Mixo has also added images and just some more text that you can customize according to your needs and just add whatever you want to add and just make it more personal to the things that you had in mind. But this is a great start because all the formatting has actually been done for you and people who are interested in knowing more about what your business actually is. They can just put in the email here, and then you'll have a bunch of leads that you can start getting in touch with from day one. Want to explore more AI tools? Subscribe to AI in Heels.